Okay, I have written directions, but I want to show you video directions on how to use REMOVE.BG. So if you want to use this picture, for example, in your project right here, or this one, it doesn't matter which picture, but you don't want the background, okay? You only want the picture of the person because that is what you need to label. Okay, so let's see how to do it. Let's use this picture. Okay, so this is the picture I decided I'm going to use this one as one of my pictures. Open another tab, open remove.bg, and it's going to look like this. Okay, so now go back to this document. This is the one I shared with you. Okay, and I'm going to click on it and hold it. See how it looks like it's not going to let me move it, but I'm going to bring it up to this tab. You see how that tab opens? Bring it down here and it says drop it. So let it go, drop it, and well, look, there we go. Beautiful child with no background. Now what do? Well, you could download it, or in most cases you just need to copy it. So you right click on it and then you'll be able to copy the image. You could save it, whatever, but most of the time you're just going to copy it and then go and paste it into your document. Now, what if you are not using one of the images that I gave you and you want to just use one from a Google search? So let's just go to images.google.com and let's search baby model. And okay, so we have this child right here, and we want to use this picture, but we don't want the background. So what I do is the same thing. I click and hold on this picture and start to move it. Okay, it's going to look like it won't let me, but bring it to that REMOVE.BG tab, bring it down. It says let it go, and it's going to erase the background. And then I can right click and copy image, save it, whatever is appropriate. What you notice is that it kept this one. So as long as I don't close this tab, it'll keep all of it there so I can go back to it. Now, what if it made a mistake and it erased something that you didn't want? You can go into this edit version. And when you click on edit, you can either erase or restore. So watch, if I click on restore and I go here, it's going to bring that back. I can undo it. If I click instead on erase, I would erase what I did not want there. I'm going to undo that. And then you can modify your brush size depending on what you're trying to do. And if you're just trying to get in real close because something was missing, you can do that as well. Okay, so hopefully that helps and you understand the amazingness of REMOVE.BG.